Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. YouTube. What does it want to be? Now, I know you're thinking, well, wait, Chris, it's YouTube. Of course, it's about video. Yeah, but what kind of video? Regular video? Live video? Short video? YouTube doesn't really know. And unfortunately, creators have to kind of follow whatever the algorithm dictates, which is very unfortunate. That's another topic for another day. But recently, some YouTube execs have expressed concern with the recent, I don't want to say pivot, because that isn't exactly what it was, but let's say adjustment to accommodate short form video alongside longer or traditional video, then again alongside live video. They're all different beasts. So effectively, some execs at YouTube, senior, are concerned that the short form, the shorts, the TikToks on YouTube, with YouTube supporting them and promoting them and, wagging their entire existence around them, Google TikTok is effectively going to cannibalize traditional YouTube video, because they're moving from traditional YouTube video, and let's say even 2 minutes is somewhat of a longer form video compared to a 60-second video clip that people are accustomed to on TikTok or with Instagram Reels. If YouTube continues down this path without a clear differentiator, yeah, a lot's at risk. Now, I've expressed concern about YouTube not really knowing what it wants to optimize for, and creators being caught in the middle. Do we do live video? Do we do regular video, short video? Like, what do we do? Well, you can do it all. No, you can't. That's not how YouTube works, at least as far as a creator is concerned. So YouTube execs are sounding some alarms about these shorts effectively cannibalizing traditional YouTube. And I don't really think they're wrong, because, yeah, YouTube, what do you want to be?